Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way of checking the number. We have to do it by using the secret code. So let's open the dialer. It is the place where we can enter it. Let's tap on the keypad or the dialer simply, and then let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, which is a little bit longer. However, it can be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the About Device section. Right now, we have to scroll down in order to find either status. Yes, it is in the status, so let's simply tap on this option, and as you can see, right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.